guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the Nike Air Max 90s. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes. Helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you, and let's get into it. So today, we've got a look at the Air Max 90. It's a classic, it's a staple. We got this in the black, white colorway. Obviously, trust me guys, this is black mono. And we got this in the UK men's size 6. It's a European size 40 and this US men's size 7. Big shout out to one of the guys here at Oneupreviewz. It's Chris. This is Chris' sneaker. So you're going to see his on feet, and he'll be giving you all his thoughts, feelings, and emotions about how he feels when we roll that footage of the on feet. With all that said, let's get into the review. And here we go. There you go, guys. This is a classic staple. If you're from London, I'm pretty sure it's either that. This kind of gives me Black Air Force One vibes and Black Air Force One energy. And I just hope that Chris isn't doing any hood things. We'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. You got the waffle patterning there with the traction, Nike logo there. It's a classic wheel, not wheel, still classic wave that's found going towards the heel as well. I'm sure everyone's seen what the Air Max 90 outsole looks like. Moving along on to the midsole unit. So again, you got a polyurethane midsole, and right there you can see the air bubbles, which makes the Air Max 90 famous. Moving along onto the upper. So this upper is made out of a blend of materials. You got your suedes that you can see, bits of leather, and a lot of mesh. So you can look at the toe box and you can see the mesh. Where the mudguard is, there's a layer of leather, and just surrounding that is the suedes. And it's in this all black colorway. Guys, between you and me, I'm pretty sure this is what Chris wore at school. So, I mean, I went to school with Chris, so I do remember Chris rocking a pair of Air Max 90s. Obviously, you weren't allowed to wear it, but he never got caught, so fair play to Chris, and guess he's just reeing up. So get your other pairs of Air Max 90s. These are staples again, guys. Get your pairs. Moving along onto the laces, you got a flat lacing system there, quick lace system, padded tongue, all in this black mono colorway. So you can see the black Nike tag that's stitched on with the Nike logo. Again at the back, you got your rubber Nike Air logo on the heel. Inside is all textile materials with the Nike logo as well, Nike Air. And just on the medial and the lateral side, you got the swoosh. Your Air Max logo is there, and same on the medial side. And that rounds it off. Guys, simple sneaker, highly recommended. If you're a big Air Max fan and just need an all black version, go cop it. Or you need an all black sneaker to wear at school. Kids, if you're watching this and you're wondering what school shoes to get some Air Max 90s. Tell your mum and dad, give me some Air Max 90s. Don't want your kickers today. You might get into trouble. That's where you live and learn. So roll that footage of Chris trying these on, and we're just gonna marvel at these sneakers.
guys. In terms of the fit, these are, I would say, very true to size. The majority of them are mesh, so it is kind of, I would say, lenient to your foot size. I like mine as a tight fit, as you may know, and these are, I'm a size 6, these are a size 6, and they fit perfectly, a lot more comfortable than I thought they would be. But yeah, feel free. I would say if you do like a bit more space in your shoes, get maybe a half size up, but for me and what I want, these are perfect. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at Oneupreviewz with a Z. Peace.